Hey guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to create your own personal Gmail. So, I would like to create your own Gmail account, especially doon sa mga kagaya ko na nag-uumpisa pa lang at nagtitrain bilang virtual assistant. So, if you still don't have one or if you still using Yahoo Outlook, it's much better to have a Gmail account because Gmail has a lot of features that we cannot see on other platforms and mostly use emails for businesses and virtual assistant are Gmails. And one thing to keep on mind that if you're going to create a Gmail account, it should be formal. Don't use something like code names, nicknames that it's very hard to remember, and it should be formal because it would be hard to remember, especially if the client are still new. The client may have a hard time sometimes for your emails or may misspell your emails. That's why you weren't able to receive your mails. I would highly recommend that you use a formal emails, like for example, my name, Annalisa Mendoza. You can use annalisamendoza@gmail.com. Since ang name ko is very familiar at maraming katulad, so ang ginawa ko na lang is para hindi rin masyadong mahaba and easy to remember, Lisa Mendoza, and then nilagyan ko siya ng code number para naman hindi siya kagaya ng iba at mas madali siyang ma-recognize. So, yun lang, ganun sa paggawa ng email, then ng personal Gmail, and then kung makikita nyo, ito yung folder ko. So, yan po. And para po doon sa ibang email na sa tingin nyo po ay hindi na kailangan, is i-delete nyo na rin po. At ang mga importante lang ang inyong itira. So, yan po. At ang akin, kung mapapansin nyo din po, yung email ko is kung ano yung dumadating, so yun ang naka-priority. So, yan lang po guys, ang maibabahagi ko ngayon. Ang pag-create ng sariling email and then ng sariling personal Gmail na sana ay may natutunan kayo ngayong araw na ito. At see you on my next vlog kung paano ko naman gagawin ang pagpo-folder nito. So, yan po. And thank you for watching.